Wild the Foul Boys, it's the new movement. Get with it and get lost and just move, bitch. Wild the Foul Boys, it's the new movement. Get with it and get lost and just move, bitch. Y'all know I'ma use it. This is everyday life. This is more than music. Been telling y'all fags I don't play no games, so fuck you, fuck your squad, and the gang y'all claim. Walnut Ave, nigga. We the fucking realest. We fuck niggas up and we got the most killers. No other hood fucking with that, cause we play with big guns and we all stay strapped. My little niggas be thirsty, ready to shoot a nigga. Come through trying to stunt, you gon' meet the blicker. That's something you don't really wanna meet. You fuck around and meet it, you gon' be 6 feet. Underground, slumped in the box. Trying to be tough when you know that you not. Stop acting, that'll get you killed. Like poured out liquor, that'll get you spilled. Yo, you little niggas not on my level. Keep talking shit, bitch, you get smacked with a shovel. And you must not know who you talking to. You talking to woo. You wanna fight, you could bring your crew. I walk in any hood, dog, I mean everywhere. When it's wartime, nigga, you ain't never there. You not no killer, so don't even push me. That's a goddamn shame when you know you a pussy. But listen up, when I'm talking, you chump. You don't want me to send Briss to get the pump out the trunk. Here, shoot your fucking mama, won't care about your brother. Here, shoot your fucking dad and go fuck your sister. Sorry to say, that's what we do round here. You ain't gonna clap at nobody, you gonna clap in the air. And I swear, if niggas still running they lips, I'ma run up on them, beat them down and give them a clip. I ain't talking about the ones that you hold in your hips. I'm talking about the ones you load up and pull out and spit, bitch.